Hey guys, today I'm just going to do a quick time lapse of how I do my farming. I'm not going to do like a whole day of this going through my farming, but I'm going to do a quick time lapse of how I do it. So enjoy! Okay guys, so I'm not going to like do any more farming for now because I don't want to make this video too long. That would be way too much editing for me to time lapse. And I am literally in my mom's office at school right now. And yeah. So I can't really do any more for this video. But yeah, I pretty much just like go to all the classes and like collect diamonds around the school. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys out. And so yeah, I have a more detailed version on my Instagram of what I do usually.